These exercise balls are very easy to use. It comes with the elastic strap attached. All you have to do is put your hand through here, push the clamp down and pull down. Now you don't have to worry about losing your balls. These exercise balls feel very nicely in my palm. They're made of high elastic thermoplastic rubber. These exercise balls help recover finger strength, forearm strength, relieves finger spasm, numbness, and promote blood circulation. The tension between these two balls is different. This lighter color is the tension is 5 pounds and this one is 10 pounds. Inside you can feel there's a rubber ball inside. Once you squeeze down far enough, and if you're able to touch it, that means you have reached the 5-pound mark. And this one, you squeeze down far enough, you will reach the 10-pound tension mark. I highly recommend them.